Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. And today's episode we will be talking about Microsoft Power BI. So without further ado, let's get started. Microsoft Power BI is the leading business intelligence tool used by over 300,000 organizations worldwide, including big names like Amazon, Shell, and Spotify. It helps these companies to make better decisions faster by giving them a clear picture of their business. But what exactly is Power BI? How does it work? And why should you care? That's what we'll cover in today's video. In the first chapter, we'll explore what Power BI is all about. Then in the second chapter, we'll dig into its key features. After that, in the third chapter, we'll look at how businesses use Power BI in real life. In the fourth chapter, we'll talk about the different versions of Power BI. Finally, in the fifth chapter, we'll explain why learning Power BI might be a great idea for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a good idea of whether Power BI is worth your time and effort to learn. Chapter 1. What is Power BI? Power BI is basically a tool that helps you understand your data better. Let me explain this. Imagine you own a small business like a bakery. You sell cakes, cookies, and bread. Every day you keep track of how much money you earn, how many items you sell, and what your expenses are. This information is stored in different places like your bank account statements, sales invoices, and expense reports. Now this data might be useful, but it's not very helpful in its current state. You can't really do anything with it. That's where Power BI comes in. Power BI lets you bring all your data together in one place. You can connect it to your bank accounts, sales records, and expense logs. It also makes it easy for you to visualize your data using charts, tables, and graphs. This way you can easily spot trends and patterns. For example, you can see which types of cookies are the most popular or which days of the week are the busiest. Power BI also helps you share your findings with others. You can create reports and dashboards and send them to your employees or customers. Overall, Power BI is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you make better decisions for your business. Chapter 2. Key features of Power BI. Now that you know what Power BI is all about, let's check out some of its key features. First, we have data connectivity. Power BI can connect to tons of different data sources, more than 80 to be exact. These include Excel files, databases, websites, and cloud apps like Salesforce or Google Analytics. You can pull data from a single source or combine data from multiple sources into one report. Next, we have data transformation. Power BI's data transformation tool, known as Power Query, allows you to clean and refine your data before using it. This means you can deal with missing values, fix errors, and change the way your data is shaped. This ensures that your analysis and visualizations are based on accurate and reliable data. Moving on, we have interactive dashboards. The main goal of Power BI is to help you create interactive dashboards. With a few clicks, you can turn your data into visuals like charts, tables, maps, and even infographics. These visuals make it easier to find patterns and tell stories with your data. Plus, your dashboards are interactive, meaning you can play around with them to get the insights you need. Another cool feature is AI and insights. Power BI uses artificial intelligence to give you quick and easy answers from your data. You can ask questions in plain English and Power BI will find the answers for you. It's like having a personal assistant that crunches numbers. Next, we have collaboration and sharing. Power BI lets you work with others on the same report. You can share your dashboard with your team members and get feedback. Once you're done, you can publish your report so others can see it. You can also embed your dashboard in emails, websites, or other apps. Chapter 3. Real-world use cases. Now that you know the key features of Power BI, let's look at how businesses use it in the real world. First, we have sales teams. They use Power BI to track how well their products are selling, who their best customers are, and how much money they're making. They can also use it to compare sales over time and see what is working and what is not. Next, we have finance departments. They use Power BI to analyze financial data like income, expenses, and investments. This helps them make better decisions about how to manage the company's money. They can also use Power BI to predict future financial performance and spot any risks. Moving on, we have human resources. They use Power BI to keep track of employees and their performance. This includes monitoring things like absenteeism, staff turnover, and training progress. HR teams can also use Power BI to make better decisions about hiring and compensation. And finally, we have the healthcare industry. Hospitals and clinics use Power BI to manage patient data and improve the quality of care they provide. For example, they can use it to track patient wait times, monitor bed occupancy, and analyze test results. Chapter 4. Power BI versions. Now that you know how businesses use Power BI, let's talk about the different versions available. First, we have Power BI Desktop. This is a free version that you can download and install on your computer. It is perfect for individuals who want to get started with Power BI or for students who are learning about business intelligence. Next, we have Power BI Pro. This is a paid version that costs $9.96 per user each month. With Power BI Pro, you can share your dashboards with others, collaborate on reports, and access more advanced features like the ability to connect to more data sources. Finally, we have Power BI Premium. This is a more expensive version that starts at $4,960 per capacity. It's designed for large organizations that need to handle lots of data and users. Power BI Premium also comes with more advanced features like AI-powered analytics and big data analytics. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the 5th chapter of our video, which is why should you learn Power BI? Well, here's the thing. These days, every company needs people who can make sense of all the data they collect. These folks are called data analysts and data scientists, and they use tools like Power BI to do their jobs. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data analyst in the US is $68,000 per year, and for a data scientist, it is $122,000 per year. Not bad, right? But that's not all. There's another reason why you should learn Power BI. It's simply because it's a fun and rewarding skill to learn. With Power BI, you can take raw data and turn it into something beautiful and useful. You can find patterns and insights that no one has seen before, and you can tell a story with your data. Learning Power BI can be challenging at times, but it's also very rewarding. When you see your hard work pay off and when you see how others react to your dashboards, you feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like that. So if you're looking for a new challenge, if you want to learn a skill that's in high demand, and if you want to do something that's both challenging and rewarding, then maybe you should consider learning Power BI. And that, my friends, concludes our video on Microsoft Power BI. We hope that you enjoyed this introduction to this powerful business intelligence tool and that it has inspired you to learn more about it. If you want to dive deeper into the world of Power BI, there are plenty of resources available to help you on your journey. You can check out our website for more detailed tutorials and courses on Power BI. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tech videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.